Happy Onam everyone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and you know what I'm going to do today. It's a very simple look and I'll be explaining every step. And I know I'm not wearing the traditional Onam dress, if you may, but I think this also looks very pretty on me, so I'm very happy and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching.
So the first step as usual is some primer. Here I'm using primer from Color Bar. This is very nice and it is so good for oily skin. Right now I'm just applying it all over my face and spreading out evenly. Now it's time for concealer, and I'm just going to use this concealer as my eye base for my eyeshadow work, and I'm just going to blend that out. And now I'm using mascara for filling in my brows. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put at the top or somewhere. I'm just filling in my eyebrows as quickly as I can, filling out all the gaps and making sure they look neat and sexy. So now I'm using this Rimmel London Stay Matte powder and just puffing it all over my eyelid so I can just set the base. So the first thing here I'm using is Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to just dive into the musk color, and I'm just using that musk color for blending into my crease. Here I'm using the color Blazing from the same palette. And now again going in with the concealer, and I'm just going to cut my crease. It doesn't have to be much clean, but I really want something that will go all together with my outfit, so this is what I'm doing, but it doesn't have to be clean. And now I'm taking this palette from BH Cosmetics, but it's the whole eyeshadow palette with contour powders, and this shade that I applied is actually a shade which really goes well with my outfit. It is kind of copperish glossy shadow, so I really like that. Now for eyeliner, and this is such a cheap eyeliner but it works so nicely, so it is my all-time favorite. And just creating a thin eyeliner look and just putting a small flick at the end of the both liners. And now I'm using 3 foundations all together. One is a BB cream, another one is from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in shade 210. And now here I'm taking Light Rose from BH Cosmetics. Mixing them all together, now I'm going to apply them all over my face and making sure I don't leave a spot. And guys, please don't forget to put the foundation on your ears, on your back, on your neck, whatever part that you are going to exposing, because of course you don't want that part to look more tan than your face, or your face to look different than your other part. And I'm just using a beauty blender and just dabbing it all and blending that shit in. Gives such a natural finish. And now I'm using again the Fit Me concealer and just concealing high points of my face. If you're not into contouring and concealing, then it's just your choice, you don't have to do it, but I personally love to do that, so here I am. And just tap, blend, blend, blend. And now I'm using V Face from again Maybelline, and I love this duo blush and contour powder. It's so amazing. And I'm just contouring my cheeks, my jawline underneath it, and everywhere, basically bronzing it up. And you can see for my nose I'm using this flat kind of eyeshadow fluffy brush and just kind of creating those shadows where I really need to blend the contour powder in. So you can see I'm just blending the contour powder so my nose will look snatched, and I'm using blush from the same palette. I'm using again the same powder that I used before, that is from Rimmel London's Stay Matte, and just setting that all in and just making sure my makeup is not going to move. Now for highlighting, I'm using this e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighter. This is in shade Moonlight. It is my all-time favorite. Highlighting my inner corners, my bridge, tip of my nose, and then the cupid's bow. And now I'm just curling my lashes using lash curler that I bought here from a local market. And now again with Maybelline, I'm here using the Volume Express mascara and just putting all that mascara on my top lashes. And now you can see I'm using this eye pencil on this small, I don't know what you want to call that thingy. And now I'm just using the other brushed end for filling in waterline, if you may. That's because I really love to be not messy with that. That's why. And then I used an angle brush, took some of that and just blended it and just smoked it out on my lower lash line. Now just applying mascara on the lower lashes. And now for lips, I'm using again BH Cosmetics lip liner. This is in color red. Now I'm just going in with Bonjour lip palette and just putting that pink cute color on my lips. And now I'm going with Australia's water setting spray or mist, and this mist is so amazing. It smells so good and it just makes your makeup last for hours. I really recommend this product. And now for my hair, again just putting back that front bang or what you want to call that, and now putting in Gajra. I didn't had any jasmine Gajra, so I actually created one using some white flowers, and it still kind of looks cute. I used some bobby pins to get in that and to make sure the Gajra doesn't fall off. Just now putting in my necklace, my earrings, all my jewelry basically. And now I'm just creating this this small bindi kind of look, like a black bindi, and it looks so cute. And I tried doing that Chandan Tika look using Huda Beauty's palette again. Here I used the shade Nefertiti, and here you go guys, this is my final look.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that you learned something very amazing and you all are going to celebrate your Onam using my techniques and really like it. And if you do, please comment something in the comment section.